Oh, I feel so mighty now. Oh, you ruined my golden armor. I have to go back. Give them the wrath of my... What is this guy's name? Black Tiger guy. There's not one tiger in this game. False advertisement. Such good art for like an old school game though. The background. Dragons. Floating islands. And whips with flames on them. This guy doesn't have to... he shoots like a special one and comes a bunch of flames after that. English is not today. Alright, you know what? Let's just speed run the rest. Gotta have the golden armor. It looks pretty. Yeah. $500 inside a maze? That's link approved. I'm reckless now. Look, I don't even care anymore. I'm naked! Oh, jeez, wow! Biff, baff, biff, bam. I mean, looks like there should be something there. Yeah. Just feels like it. Dead. I should have got out of there. 2 deaths. Oh, I'm old now. I used to play this as a youth and I never die. I never lose. Woo. The guy was like, "Are you gonna beat this?" I'm like, "Yeah, I always beat this game." But what if you don't? Well, I'm gonna beat it. Like, there's no way that I won't beat it. But what if you don't? Then I guess I have to go home. But, well, are you gonna beat it? I just told you. You meet a lot of weirdos in there. Like, I thought I was the weirdo of weirdos until I met the other guys. All right, that's just. There's a shortcut. I'm just fooling around right now. I'll show you the shortcut. See, the arrow wants me to go this way. Just run up. You can skip that way. Actually, I'm totally lost. I don't know where the shortcut is. Wow, bouncy rock. Oh, that's my 1,000! Come on, you give me a... Oh, come on, man. Pride goes before a fall. So I could go that way. I want to end this punishment. Wait. Give me some armor. Because I'm going to do stupid stuff. You get stupid prizes for stupid stuff. And I missed. I'm gonna beat this game. Just end it. I don't need to fight those guys. Those mummies can roll. Get out of here, demon. Better give me 5. Oh, alright. Easy. Whoa, I'm so close. He backs off. Here, let me make you more comfortable. I love the bosses. They're so considerate in this game. Hey, just let me give you some space. You look like you need to be a little bit more comfortable. You can do the entire 8 stage. It's all fun and dandy, but for me, the music is just too stressful and intense that I'm just gonna I'm gonna go the fast way. Just take this one up. Actually, hold up. All the way up. Up. Don't worry about that. You got potions for that? I will need this time though. You're not really supposed to do what I just did, but I'm just kind of itching for that last battle. Now we got all the time in the world. Slap you with my flame stick. Wake up. He's just having a long nap. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, he's got the special powers. Oof. Dare you hit me. Oh, he can go into the floor like that? Oh, he got me. Man, he might kill me. That'd be so embarrassing. Bum, bum, bum. Hey, guys, you want to play Altered Beast after this? Rise from your grave. I'm gonna die. I don't believe it. I'm gonna die. Run! Oh! If he would have tagged me, that would have been it. I would have been it. Holy cow! Why is he so hard? Oh, it's janky. Come on. Why is he so hard? Should be dead. Come on, die, man! Oh, I thought we killed each other. I'm like, who's dead? Who's dead? It's not my best score, but I guess it is top score.
You beat the game.
Yeah, I beat the game. But what if you don't beat the game? Victory!
No, we not.
It is. What do you want for lunch, Jess? We've earned a meal. All that hard work. Sitting down, relaxing. See you guys in the next videos. Peace out.